There's TJ working that kayak. Hey, Michelle, grab my keys to the truck, please. You rescued the little statue man. Good job. You saved him. Good job, little man. Bring him over here. Bring him home. Okay, I'll help you. Oh, you got him strapped down. Oh, he ain't going nowhere. You really rescued him. Okay, this car is going to attempt to drive through the water. Yeah, stay over there. It's going to be interesting. Good thing the water's gone down, so. No wake. No wake zone. Ah, you got me all wet. No wake. Oh yeah, the water went down. She wouldn't have made it out here if it wasn't for that.